Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to convert test or exam mark out of 25, out of 50 or 100 or 75 in Microsoft Excel. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our student name and then you see mark obtained and then you see total marks 30. So we are going to convert mark obtained number out of 25, out of 50, out of 75 or 100, so it's up to you. Now select cell. So first we are going to convert mark obtained out of 25. So we select this cell. On top you see formula bar, so click on it. Then write a equal, then start bracket. Now select mark obtained. Now you see 25.5 B2. Now add divide and then you see total mark. Now select again. Now you see C2. Now bracket close. Now add multiply and then you see 25. If you want to convert mark into 50, now add 50. If you want to convert into 75, so add 75. So it's up to you. So you can add number according to your requirement. So we are going to convert into 25. Now add 25 and then press enter. Now you see out of 25, 21.25. Now select and drag and drop like this. Now you see convert and then we are going to convert mark obtained out of 50. Now select. On top you see formula bar, so click on it, then write a equal, then start bracket. Now select cell again, mark obtained. Now add divide. Now select cell total mark C2. Now bracket close. Now add multiply. Now we are going to add 50 and then press enter. Now you see 42.5 out of 50. Now select and drag and drop it. Now you see. So in this way you can convert your test or exam mark out of 25, 50, any number you want in Microsoft Excel. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.